Okay, we're going to solve this equation, m to the 6th power plus 9m to the 3rd power plus 8. This is equal to 0. Notice that the power right here is 6, and this is 3, and the third term doesn't have any power of m, right? That's good, because this right here is an equation in the quadratic form, because the power here is twice as much as this one. And to do so, we're just going to do the tic-tac-toe to factor this out. And the right hand side is 0 already, so this is great. We can just get going with this. So this is how we're going to do it. I'll show you guys with the tic-tac-toe factoring, and we have to think about what times what will give us m to the 6th power, and be sure you balance the power, and we are going to have m to the 3rd power times m to the 3rd power. How's this? Right? M to the 3rd power times m to the 3rd power is m to the 6th power. And now, what times what will give us 8? Well, 8 and 1, let me use that. Both being positive, and this is going to work because I can show you this times this, m to the 3rd power times 1 is just m to the 3rd power. 8 times m to the 3rd power is 8m to the 3rd power. Together, this is 1m to the 3rd power plus another 8m to the 3rd power. That's 9m to the 3rd power. So that's good, right? So now we know this is going to be factorable, and we have that, which is m to the 3rd power plus 8 times m to the 3rd power plus 1. And be sure you still write down this is equal to 0. We have two factors equals to 0, and we're just trying to find the real value solutions. Therefore, I'm just going to write this down, m to the 3rd power plus 8. I will make this equal to 0. And on the other hand, right here, I will just have m to the 3rd power plus 1, and this is equal to 0. Once again, we're just trying to find the real value solutions. We are not trying to get the we're not trying to get the complex solutions for these two equations. So all we have to do is, I can just subtract a on both sides right here. So they cancel, and you see m to the 3rd power will give us negative 8, and I'm just going to take the cube root on both sides. And you see, when we take the cube root on both sides, yes, this and that will cancel, and we don't need to put down plus minus. So first answer, m is equal to the cube root of negative 8. It is just negative 2. You don't need to use the I. That's only for square root. And the cube root of negative 8 is just a real number, which is the negative 2 that I put down right here. For this one, do the same thing. I'm just going to minus 1 on both sides, cancel, cancel, and then we will have m to the 3rd power that's equal to negative 1, and you take the cube root on both sides, and this and that will cancel. M is equal to the cube root of negative 1. It is just negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 gives you negative 1. So these are the answers. Negative 2, negative 1. That's it.